Hi guys, it's me nandakishormpai. Welcome to a new video. Disclaimer, today's video is gonna be in English because I'm sure people from outside Kerala will also watch the video. Today's video is gonna be about 30 days of Google Cloud program and the swags I got as a facilitator. This event, 30 days of Google Cloud program, was conducted in October 2020. It was a 30-day event and I got the chance to facilitate the event in my campus College of Engineering, Trivandrum. I will give more details about the program in my description. Check there. So this event was a great event. I had to help at least 50 students to complete at least one of the tracks. There were two tracks, machine learning track and cloud engineering track. So it was a big deal to do. Like, I had to ask every student to spend at least 20 plus hours in that month to complete this event. I did my best and ended up at a number of 71. Yes, that's actually 71 students completed at least one track from my campus. So big thanks to them who cooperated with me and helped me achieve this milestone. So once the milestone was completed, I was really excited because there were a lot of swags mentioned for facilitators who completed the milestone. So I had been waiting for that since the end of the program and it has been 2 months. Due to COVID, there were a lot of delays and finally I got the stuff. To be honest, it's a beast. Google sent me this big package, as you can see here. Let's see what's inside. I'm sure from outside itself it's clear that it's a bag. Yes, it's a bag. It's a gray colored bag, as you can see here. This thing is really beast. Like, you can see the quality itself is great. Right from the badge that they put here, it's great. And talking about the zips, it has got everything that a basic laptop bag which you will buy from the store or you will get along with the laptop has. But the only complaint I had with the bag is, I will come to it. Yeah, as you can see the bag, the bag looks good, but the main things are inside the bag. Let's see what all things are inside. As you can see, there are a lot of t-shirts and a bag inside bag. That's some Christopher Nolan shit, a bag inside a bag. Only Google can do that. Yeah, let's open the stuffs. As you can see, we got a lot of shirts. We will come to them detailedly. There is another bag inside this bag. I'm gonna take that too. Yep, got that. So yeah, these are two identical bags, I guess. I don't see much difference in their size or anything. Only complaint I had is the laptop space. I don't think it's much big. It ends up out here. So probably this is made for a 14-inch laptop. I don't think my laptop will suit in here, but the bag is great for college students, that I can say. As we saw both the bags, let's get to the shirts. Okay, we got 3 shirts and a hoodie. So let me explain. There was one shirt for machine learning track, there was one shirt for cloud engineering track, and there was one shirt for just facilitating. Like, the facilitating job was great. So the coordinators decided to give every facilitator, irrespective of whether they complete the milestone or not, a shirt just to appreciate their effort. Then comes the main part for which every facilitator was craving for, the Google Cloud hoodie. This is the best part, we will come to that. So yeah, we can see 3 shirts here. I will open and show you everything. So this is the first shirt and I really like the design. This shirt was for machine learning track. And as you know, I love machine learning. I did this thing the first. Yeah, this is the shirt you can see here in the camera. The major part I like this, the sticker is so big, like it will fill up the most of the space compared to the cloud shirt. We will come to that too. So you can see it has a lot of things regarding data and data manipulation and all. The shirt is great, the quality is good, but I'm not sure about the stickers, how much they will last after some washes. But yeah, here there's the Google Cloud logo also, so that people recognize you as a Google person. Yeah, once this shirt is over, let's go to the cloud one. The cloud engineering shirt is also great. Like, most of my friends told me that the quality is better when compared to Hacktober shirts. I haven't got that yet. Yeah, going to the cloud engineering track shirt, it's a black shirt. As you can see, it has some of the stickers, which is kind of a running race. I don't exactly know what each figure means, but yeah, even it has got the Google Cloud logo at the side. The quality is good regarding the shirt, but about the stickers I'm not that sure. I suspect the quality, because this seems a bit removable after some wash, so washing should be careful. I'm not sure about that. So once these two shirts are completed, let's go to the Facilitator shirt that was given as an appreciation. It's a simple shirt, but I really like their gesture, like they gave a shirt to appreciate our work. As for a lot of us didn't complete the Facilitator milestone, it was difficult. Yeah, you can see it's a simple shirt but with a Google Cloud logo at the heart position. So this is great, like people can directly see this when you wear it, rather than it being placed here. So I think this is a great shirt. It will make you stand out in between people. So yeah, these were the 3 shirts you saw. I really like them. Let's go to the main beast, hoodie. Oh man, even I was craving for this thing right from the start when I saw the picture. This is a hell of a thing. Yep, this is the stuff. The quality of this sticker, I think it's a bit better than that of shirts, and the zip and all is perfect, like pitch perfect. About the hoodie, yeah, let me wear and show, that would be better. So this is the hoodie that I got. I really loved it. Like they gave the actual thing that they shown in the picture, so there was no mismatch in size or something. The logo is great, everything works perfectly. Even the size came the pitch perfect, that I would say. I really like the factor that I got my correct size. I really loved this hoodie. I don't know why, it just feels great after wearing this. I don't know why I feel like a hacker man, like that kind of pose. I won't wear this. This would be cringe, but yeah, you guys deserve it. Yeah, so this hoodie is great. I really liked it. Not just the hoodie, everything that Google gave, it was really great. So briefing out, the event was great. I even got certificate from Google for both facilitating and even completing the tracks. So I'm sure they will help me in the future. And regarding the swags also, the quality is good as I reviewed everything. That's it for the video. Hit like if you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.